Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off contact sync notifications on Snapchat. So, if you're getting notifications asking you to sync your contacts or suggesting that you connect your address book, you can easily disable those prompts from the app settings. So, open Snapchat on your phone. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right. Once you're here, scroll down and look for notifications and tap on it. Now, once you're on notifications, scroll down to the friend suggestions or contact section and tap or turn off the toggle for friends from contacts, just like so. Turn off friend suggestions as well and also pending friends. So you can also turn off other contact related alerts if it's enabled. Now, if you previously synced your address book and want to clear past data to stop recommendations, go back to main settings. Now scroll down to privacy and tap clear data. Then select delete contact data and click confirm to confirm the action. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.